I'll put some more food down. I tripped over her. There it is. She ain't getting them high notes anymore. Come on. High notes, come on.
Stop for a second.
She's covered in burrs.
When she goes back for that next bite, then do it.
She ain't hitting the high
You gotta
range.
stop for a second. You gotta let her go back up to that food up there. And when she does, try to pull her
Well,
away.
I'm taking advantage of this and cleaning her. She's got huge burrs in her. Go ahead. She ain't really talking today. She's talking, but she's not singing. Well, these cats don't take burr bushes very well. Come on, Haggis. Say something. I don't want to fuck with her too much. She's like ready to have her babies.